Hey man, same man, it's your boy Starlit HTX back with another video. Today we're going to show you how to take apart a headliner in a 2020 Mustang. Stay tuned, don't forget, subscribe and like.
So here we're going to remove an A-pillar from a 2020 Mustang. Gotta get your fingers in. Gotta get this probably behind the A-pillar and just pull out. Clip here you have to twist. This little cord, you gotta twist it and wiggle it out. So you twist the bottom, and you twist the top piece. From there, should be free to pull.
So the A-pillar's done, right?
Yeah, A-pillar's done. Our visor, it'll be a T20 right there. Doing that. From this, slide her out. Back piece pries down. From there, use this same tool. To pry this clip out. Should be able to pry it down from there. Should be free. Pull it down, expose the wire, pinch this, and it's free. So for the domite, there's going to be clips on the side. You just get a pry tool. You just pry down to remove the clip. So same thing on this side. Clip right here, clip right here. It's right there. There's a seatbelt cover. Yep, just pull it off. A ratchet, a T50. And loosen that up a bit because seatbelts are pretty tight. Once you got that loose, you should go ahead and go in there with the drill. And once that out, there's a screw behind this cover. Go ahead and pry it down. You get the T20. Remove it. You hold on to the screw so you're gonna lose it. And from there, you should go ahead and be able to pull this panel out. It's just a bunch of clips going towards the back. All right, so for this pillar, you just go ahead and just pull again. It'll be that same wire that's in the A pillar, so you just gotta twist it out. Yeah, that's about it. So to get the headliner down, you can just, easy way, you just tuck it and it should just drop. Take the headliner out, just roll down the windows. Just go ahead and just rotate it a bit. Just out like that.
Alright, here's the headliner installation process.
While making your voice deep.
It's already got a whole bunch of stars in it. It's how to install. Alright. Nice and easy. You go and pick up and twist it. See how it's twisting it? 2 hands.
Just knock my butt one more.
Alright, that's how it looks once it's in.
We forgot to record how to hide the kit. The fibers are running from the headliner here down this panel, and then the kit's hiding up here in the wheel well. So it's behind this panel, hiding up here, and the fibers are running from here down in here.
my butt.